Welcome friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Debu's Tech Guide. Today I am going to unbox the Bluetooth headphone from Bolt Audio Probass Curved Neckband. It is a fully Bluetooth headphone and compact design with 10-meter wide range of Bluetooth. The neckband is consist of two magnetic earbuds that give you versatile function, and it is very much good fit if you use it. So I am going to just unbox this packet. You can see here the packaging is very much good. I buy this product from Flipkart. It is the packaging of that. In printing, it is 3,999, but I get this in 1,199. It is from offer. Now I just open this packet. You can see the packet is so good, and I can see the headphone there. Now I just open the packet from the box. The headphone looks very good and pretty intelligent because the earbud is made up of metal, and also there is two magnet in that, and the mic is inlined with three switch. One is multi-purpose button and two switch for volume up and volume down. You can see here there is the two terminal of this headphone, and there is one battery also inbuilt in it. You can charge it with USB, and that is already in this box, and the battery backup is quite good. I read all the things, all the specification. It claims 12 hour of battery life. I don't know if it will give that or not. That I can say after using it. So now I am just looking the build quality and all the things. It is looking pretty good and intelligent. You can use it, and it also claims that it has waterproof P2 coating, so it is sweat proof if you are athletes, and if you want to use it in while jogging or in gymming, you can easily use because some headphone are there which don't permit this type of facility because that don't support the sweat proof activity. And in this box you can get uh, one charger means adapter. It is a Bolt audio adapter. You can use it easily with any mobile charger or with your laptop. Two pairs of additional ear plug is with that. One Bolt audio manual is that there, and one guarantee card is with it. 1 year's guarantee. You can use it. You can see that is here. So overall the quality looks good, and now I just open this headphone. The packaging is quite tough and good. I just open that tape. Okay, now I just open from the case. The packaging is so tough. It gives you a protection. The quality is also good. I think the product will be very much good. So let's see how is the product. Before using first time, you should charge it completely. It takes around 1 hour or so as written in the instruction, and I go through the comment section they claim. So I personally see how much time it take to charge. Okay, you can see here it is the metallic structure. Here is the magnet. You can see the magnet. The two things attracted each other and the magnet works properly. So now I am just using it. It is pretty light in weight. You cannot feel it. So friends, I am using this Bolt Car Pro, this neckband, and the voice is recorded from it. You can see it is a very good fit, but I have many troubles to connect this with this laptop because when I try to connect with Bluetooth, it don't connect. And the main problem is that it don't support a long distance connection about 5 meter. When I go out about 5 meter, it is automatically disconnected and the sound quality becomes very much bad. So uh, the sound quality is good, but actually the connection is very much bad, as I have stated before. So it is fit well and looks also good, but the problem is with that, and it take about
So
10
friends,
minutes
I
to
don't
connect
recommend to buy this
with the laptop.
product in that price range because the connection is very much poor.